Bulldozers are powerful beasts designed to tackle the toughest terrains, from massive construction sites to extreme earth-moving projects. Today, we're showcasing some of the biggest and most powerful bulldozers ever built. So let's get started. The Dressta TD-40 is the heaviest and most powerful crawler dozer in its class, with an operating weight of 67.7 tons and a net flywheel power of 515 brake horsepower. Built for extreme duty applications, it excels in construction, coal operations, and large-scale mining projects. Its standard semi-U blade design combines the penetration strength of a straight blade with the increased capacity of short wings, making it ideal for heavy-duty tasks like mining and road construction. The TD-40E Extra is powered by a high-performance diesel engine, delivering 384 kilowatts of power at 2,000 RPM, ensuring maximum efficiency and durability in the toughest conditions. Next up is another powerhouse, the Liebherr PR776, an electronic crawler dozer built for heavy-duty operations. With its rugged, well-engineered body, a 565 kilowatt engine, and a 28 cubic yard blade, this machine delivers exceptionally smooth operation, precise blade control, and an expansive view of the work area. Designed for maximum efficiency, the PR776 excels in tasks like mining, preparing pellet platforms, and constructing and managing truck roads. Its hydrostatic drive system ensures high performance across various terrains, while the powerful Liebherr diesel engine optimizes fuel consumption and maintains low CO2 emissions. The new CAT D11 dozer delivers enhanced performance at a lower operating cost. Advanced technologies provide complete control over the machine, ensuring safe and efficient operation. As a result, it moves more material in less time, reducing cost per ton and offering a faster return on investment. This intelligent dozer features a sophisticated machine safety system and an integrated guidance system that boosts efficiency while lowering costs. Powering the D11 is a CAT C32 engine, delivering 633 kilowatts of power for optimal performance in demanding conditions. The SD90 is a world-class bulldozer, delivering 708 kilowatts of power at 2,100 RPM. It features a single electronic control panel for seamless shifting, ensuring precise handling and high thrust performance. Designed for operator comfort, the ergonomic cab offers a spacious interior with excellent visibility. Its modular architecture allows for easy assembly and disassembly, simplifying maintenance. The track rollers utilize K-elastic suspension, increasing ground contact area for higher traction and smoother operation on uneven terrain. The SD90 is compatible with both semi-U and U blades, making it adaptable to various heavy-duty applications. The Komatsu D-475A is a powerful and high-speed bulldozer, boasting a 671 kilowatt engine, a 34.4 cubic meter blade capacity, and an operating weight of 108 tons. It delivers optimal power and efficiency, thanks to its automatic lock-up torque converter, which enhances performance while reducing fuel consumption. Komatsu has engineered the hydraulic system, drivetrain, frame, and other critical components to work in perfect harmony, ensuring exceptional reliability and durability. For operator comfort, the spacious, sound-insulated cab features ergonomic, flexible controls, making long hours on the job easier and more efficient. A bulldozer is a versatile machine used for shallow digging, ditching, short-range transportation, and material handling. Let's take a look at the 2050M, the largest bulldozer in Case's lineup. Powered by a 179 kilowatt Tier 4 engine, this powerhouse delivers an impressive drawbar pull of nearly 81,000 pounds. It features fingertip controls with a customizable steering shuttle, providing smooth and precise operation. Its 3,400 millimeter wide blade is designed for maximum efficiency, with adjustable sensitivity settings, ranging from smooth to moderate to aggressive, to adapt to different ground conditions and enhance operator comfort. The SD7 is a rugged and reliable bulldozer designed to handle the toughest conditions across construction sites, desert oil fields, power projects, mining operations, and large-scale earth-moving projects. Built with a modular design and state-of-the-art engineering, it is easy to repair and requires low maintenance. Equipped with a 3,550 mm wide blade and a maximum digging depth of 498 mm, this powerhouse boasts a bulldozing capacity of 8.1 cubic meters, making it a formidable force in any heavy-duty operation. The Zoomlion ZD220 is a Chinese-made bulldozer engineered for high reliability and an extended service life. Weighing 23.6 tons, it measures 7.2 meters in length and 3.3 meters in height. Equipped with a 3.7 by 1.3 meter blade and powered by a 175 kilowatt Cummins NT 855-C280-BC3 engine, this machine delivers an impressive maximum drawbar pull of 207 kilonewtons. Despite its substantial weight and crawler-based mechanism, the ZD220 can reach speeds of up to 11 kilometers per hour, making it both powerful and efficient for demanding earth-moving tasks. The LiuGong CLG B320 is a powerful Chinese-made bulldozer, designed specifically for stripping operations in sand and gravel pits. One of its standout features is a closed-track bed, which effectively prevents sand and soil ingress, enhancing durability and performance in tough conditions. Powered by a Cummins engine, it delivers a gross power output of 257 kilowatts at 2,000 RPM. Its 10.4 cubic meter blade ensures high efficiency in material handling, while its maximum torque of 1,590 Newton meters provides the necessary force to tackle demanding earth-moving tasks. The John Deere 1050K is a powerful and efficient bulldozer designed to tackle the toughest earth-moving challenges. Its 261 kilowatt engine features field-proven cooled exhaust gas recirculation, EGR, and selective catalytic reduction, SCR, ensuring high uptime and easy maintenance of exhaust filters. With a weight of 43,100 kilograms and a 5,600 millimeter wide blade, the 1050K delivers exceptional pushing power. Adding a grade control system is seamless, requiring only simple plug-in components. The cab-forward design enhances visibility, improving grading precision. Its ergonomic T-bar hydraulic control ensures smooth and responsive operation, while a maximum speed of 11 kilometers per hour provides the flexibility to match varying ground conditions. The Shantui SD60C-5 is one of the largest crawler dozers produced by the Chinese manufacturer Shantui. This massive yellow giant weighs over 70 tons and is powered by a QSK-19 electronic control engine, delivering an impressive 600 horsepower while meeting Euro 3A and China 3 emission standards. With dimensions of 10.4 meters in length, 4.7 meters in width, and 4.4 meters in height, the SD60C-5 commands a formidable presence on any worksite. It features a semi-U blade with an 18.9 cubic meter capacity, constructed from wear-resistant materials to ensure durability and long-term performance. For even greater versatility, the SD60C-5 can be equipped with a heavy-duty single-shank ripper, allowing it to break through tough materials with ease. These features make it a powerful and reliable choice for demanding mining and earth-moving operations. The Chetra T40 is a powerful, heavy-duty Russian bulldozer designed specifically for gold and coal mining. With an operating weight of 70 tons, a length of 6.05 meters, a height of 4.32 meters, and a width of 3.3 meters, it stands as one of the most formidable crawler dozers in its class. Manufactured by Concerned Tractor Plants, a company renowned for its expertise in heavy-duty machinery, the T40 is built for exceptional traction and durability in rugged work environments. Its bogie-type undercarriage is optimized for superior grip, allowing it to tackle the toughest terrain with ease. Powering this beast is a 660 horsepower engine, paired with an oversized 21 cubic meter blade, making it highly efficient for large-scale earth-moving tasks. Operator safety and comfort are also prioritized, with an ergonomically designed cab that minimizes fatigue during long hours of operation. The Chetra T40 seamlessly combines Russian reliability, evident in its robust frame and undercarriage materials, with high-performance hydraulic components sourced from leading American and European suppliers. Additionally, its hydromechanical or hydrostatic transmission eliminates the need for manual effort. offering precise, fingertip control for enhanced maneuverability. These features make the Chetra T40 a top choice for operators in demanding work environments, ensuring power, efficiency, and durability on every job. These massive bulldozers are truly a sight to behold, pushing limits with sheer power. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more incredible heavy machinery in action. See you in the next one.